What can we tell you about this idiot dancing on the top of the armored glass of the Cybertruck? The Cybertruck's giant windshield is one of the electric pickup's most distinctive features. With this example, we can definitely tell you that Tesla armored glass is shatterproof even after this person jumping on it. As you can see, this person is really jumping hard on the center part of the windshield glass, and still the glass absorbed all the pressure without shattering it. It should be noted that the glass is not resistant to all types of firearms or projectiles. Armored glass's efficiency is determined by its exact design, thickness, and the type of ammunition it is engineered to withstand. We also had another example where a thief was trying to get inside the truck, but was failed miserably. However, it seems Musk may be implementing the armored glass across all the Tesla lineup cars in future.